claims there is no big other. There may be a virtual big other to whom you cannot confess. There may be a real other, but it's never the virtual one. We are alone. I think Kafka was right when he said that for a modern, secular, non-religious man, bureaucracy, state bureaucracy, is the only remaining contact with the dimension of the divine. It is in this scene from Brazil that we see the intimate link between bureaucracy and enjoyment. What the impenetrable omnipotence of bureaucracy harbors is divine enjoyment.
Harvest terrorist, the rest is victim.
Mr. Warren.
Yes.
Mr. Warren.
No. This is fact. Definitely no.
My name's Larry, Mr. Warren. Sam Larry.
The intense rush of bureaucratic engagement serves nothing.
Glad to have you on board. Yes.
It is the performance of its very purposelessness
You like it up here? This
that generates an intense enjoyment ready to reproduce itself forever.
expecting big things to accomplish the finance of you. Don't let progress see those. Between you and me, Larry, this no department, tell records to get stuff, is about to be upgraded and... Here we are. Your very own number on your very own door. And behind that door, your very own office. Congratulations, DZ-015. Welcome to the team. Yes. No. Cancel that. Send 2 copies to finance.
The obverse of this is a wonderful scene more towards the beginning of the film.
Harry Tuttle, heating engineer at your service.
The hero, who has a problem in his apartment with plumbing, tries to get the state agency to fix it.
Are you from Central Services?
Of course, 2 guys come, they just want forms to fill in, they do nothing.
I called Central Services.
And then the ultimate subversive figure comes. A kind of clandestine plumberer, played by Robert De Niro.
Just a minute. What was that business with the gun?
Just a precaution, sir. Just a precaution.
Who tells him, just tell me what is the problem, and promises quickly to fix it. This, of course, is the ultimate offense to bureaucracy.
Are you telling me that this is illegal? Thanks.
Listen, kid, we're all in it together.
In the ordinary theological universe, your duty is imposed onto you by God or society, another higher authority, and your responsibility is to do it. But in a radically atheist universe, you are not only responsible for doing your duty, you are also responsible for deciding what is your duty. There is always in our subjectivity, in the way we experience ourselves, a minimum of hysteria. Hysteria is what? Hysteria is the way we question our social symbolic identity.
You're sure it's God? You're sure it's not the devil?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure of anything.
If it's the devil,